All right, hey everyone. I wanted to make a quick video describing where the draw tool is and how to use it to complete this portion of the assignment about making a collage. So the draw tool is located up here in Insert, and then you go to Drawing and New, and it'll open up this new window. Now, what I would suggest you do is either open up a new tab or an entirely new version of Chrome, and to look up some pictures to put into your collage. Please remember, words are generally not allowed to be in the pictures. So you're not going to be able to use exactly what I have. But here's how it works. So I searched in Google for Plessy versus Ferguson. Then you just click on the image search there. And once you find an image that you want to use, you can click on it. Go over here to the window that pops up. Right click, copy image, click inside here, and then you can paste. Okay, and you can do that with 5 different images. So let's go grab another one. Grab the little thumbnails if you want. Stack them however you want. You can get colorful and put boxes and other call out boxes there. But once you've got your collage complete, you can go ahead and hit save and close. You'll notice that it landed here. All you got to do is just click, hold, drag it down into this box. Make sure it fits. Like that. And you're good to go. Okay. Let your teacher know if you got questions.